rainwater is imperative to the production of whiskey. It's the medium through which all reactions take place. From extracting sugar to fermenting to aging, it all takes place through water. It also has to be clean. Impurities in the water will affect the taste of the final product, of which the majority is water. Alcohol usually accounts for 40% of the volume. The other 60% has to be something. This is one reason why Kentucky continues to be the center of the bourbon universe. The state of Kentucky, as well as Tennessee, are located on top of a large layer of limestone. The limestone acts as a filter for groundwater, and the water that comes out of its springs are clean, clear, and ideal for whiskey production. Until modern times, if the water didn't start out good, we weren't capable of making it any better. Today, we have the capacity to filter, distill, demineralize, and deionize our water, though it's still a lot cheaper to just start with a good water source. Filtering water is useful to eliminate larger particles. Distilled water is more pure water, and it's only water, so it's quite neutral. This is due to the distillation process that it goes through. Demineralized water simply means that the minerals were removed, and deionized means that the cations and anions have been removed. However, these processes beg the question of what minerals and ions are present in water. Mineral water is called so because it contains dissolved minerals and inorganic substances in it. These are usually picked up from the rock layers that a water filters through for a spring. These minerals can also be positively or negatively charged. If a positive and negative voltage is applied to mineral water, the charged particles will be attracted to their opposite charge. Therefore, cations are positive ions which are attracted to the negative charge called a cathode, which gives them their name. The positive charge, called the anode, attracts the negatively charged particles, which are consequently called anions. Common cations are sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Common anions are chloride, sulfate, and hydrocarbonate. These cations and anions will combine in the water depending on what is available in the stone that the water filters through. Saline lakes make combinations of sodium-calcium chloride and sodium-calcium-magnesium chloride. If the water drips through a gypsum strata, it results in sulfate water containing sodium sulfate and calcium sulfate. Then we have water like that found in the Bourbon Belt that goes through a limestone strata. This is hydrogen carbonate water and contains sodium calcium hydrogen carbonate and calcium magnesium hydrogen carbonate. This water isn't salty like water containing sodium and chloride and has worked well for making whiskey.